So good afternoon children, good afternoon everyone. So children, now we will learn that is class 5 science subject, that is class 4. Sorry, now the class 4, that is science subject. Now we will go through once. Okay, so 6 lessons we have been completed in the science also. So till yesterday I completed you the lesson that is how water is safe for us to drinking. So now we are going to clothes our protectors. So that is lesson number 7. How the clothes. So here how the clothes will protect us. Clothes our protectors. So everyone know we will cover with what our body with the help of clothes. How we will cover our body with the help of clothes. So different types of clothes are there in to cover our body. So no one is there that they will not cover our body. Okay, no one is there that they will not cover their body with the clothes. So everyone will cover with their body with the clothes. So some people, the professionals or their whatever they do duties, they will wear different types of clothes. So now what are the protectors of our clothes? So here clothes, our protectors, what are they? Now we will learn in this lesson number 7 children, that is class 4. There are some basic needs for mankind to live a happy, comfortable life. So here there are some basic needs that the mankind to live happily and comfortable life. They are living basics needs they have to live. So they are living very comfortably. Like the needs for the food, shelter, the needs for clothing is equally important. So here they are eating. So we want to live, we have that is food, water, next shelter. So next that is important thing to wear to us, that is our cover our body, that is with the clothes. So here it is an important part of our body to cover our body, that is clothes. The need for clothes was felt even by early mans. The early man used to protect their body for heat and cold by covering it with leaves of trees and skin of animals. So here in ancient times, so chala pata kalamlo, purata kalamlo, so many years along. So how they used to cover their body. Early mans, we have learned in social subjects early man gurunchi untundi. Here in the subject that is social, we will have early mans, how they live, so how they get shamed. So first they don't have clothes to their body. After that they got some shame to see other people, they covered with the body. How they covered with the leaves. So how they covered their body with the help of leaves. Early mans, we know that lesson we have learned in previous classes, that is 5th, 6th. So how early mans used to live? They used to cover their body with the leaves. So to protect their body, how they will protect? Now we are protecting our body with the help of clothes. In summer we will cotton clothes we will wear. In the winter, so we will wear chaliga untundi, so we will wear woolen clothes. When the rain comes, we will wear the water raincoats, umbrellas we will use. So in the different reasons also, here seasons also, we will wear different types of clothes. So now here, so children, how the clothes will protect ourselves, we will read now. So in the earlier days, the lemans, they used to cover with their body with the leaves. As the time progressed, man discovered the use of fibers from the plants. Today, different varieties of clothes are available. Life without clothes is unthinkable. So here what he is telling. So in the first also I have told for you, without clothes, so no one is there. So here different types of clothes. So in the different ways and different types of clothes. So here a man has discovered అంటే మనిషి కనిపెట్టాడు ఏంటి డిఫరెంట్ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ క్లాత్స్. సో ఏ ప్రొఫెషనల్కి ఏ ఒక క్లాత్స్ అంటే బట్టలు వేసుకోవాలో. సో he has discovered with the help of fibers. So in the previous lessons, with the help of plants we will get fiber, so that may be cotton, woolen. With the help of animals and plants we will get the woolen and as well as cotton. So with the help of these we will make the linen cloths అయినా సరే, whatever we are wearing the dresses that may be. So here life without cloth is unthinkable. So you know, and the early man's only, so after some days they became shame అంటే వాళ్ళకి మనిషిని ఒక బట్ట లేకుండా చూడడం అది మన యొక్క థింకింగ్లోకి రాదు, అది ఇట్ ఈస్ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ అవర్ థింకింగ్. సో హియర్ సో లైఫ్ వితౌట్ క్లాత్స్. సో హియర్ ఈజ్, సో మనం ఊహించుకోకూడదు కూడా. సో ఎవ్రీ పర్సన్ దే విల్ వేర్ ద clothes. So needs of clothes. So what are the needs of clothes? Now we will learn. Need for clothes. So this is the what are the needs we will read of here. From morning to night, if you have noticed, we need to wear different types of clothes. Children's wear uniform to school. We wear loose, comfortable clothes at home. Different one to parties and another set when we go to bedtime. So first here needs of clothes he is telling from morning to night. So here may be children's or it may be elders, it may be younger, whatever it may be. ఎవరైనా సరే చిన్న పిల్లల నుంచి ముసలి వాళ్ళైనా సరే మార్నింగ్ నుంచి నైట్ వరకు they will wear different type of clothes. So first we are going to the children. So small baby we will wear daily use. Next a children's who will go to school, what uniform they will wear? School uniform. So what uniform they will wear? School uniform వేసుకొని వెళ్తారు. Next going to the parents, mommy daddy, the mother, father he will go to the office. So which office means that is also different types of duties they will do. That may be police, doctor, and it may be whatever. So many professions are there అంటే చాలా రకాల డ్యూటీస్ ఉన్నాయి. సో డిఫరెంట్ ప్రొఫెషన్కి డిఫరెంట్ డ్రెస్ సెన్స్ ఉంది. సో ఇక్కడ స్కూల్కి ఏం పిల్లలు వేసుకోతారో దట్ ఈస్ యూనిఫామ్. సో ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ అట్ హోమ్ ద మమ్మీ విల్ బి దేర్. సో వాట్ షీ విల్ వేర్ dresses, that is maybe nighties. At the night time the childrens will be wear nighties చాలా మంది వేసుకుంటారు. సో when we go to bed the small children also night pant and shirt they will wear, and that also for their mother they will wear shorts and long shorts they will wear. So here what they are telling different ones of party. So here different party and another set where we go to bedtime. So here in the parties, so మనం పెళ్ళిళ్ళకి వెళ్తే పట్టు చీరలు కట్టుకుంటాం. there any functions are there, the function type which functions we are going we will wear that means of clothes. అంటే అక్కడ ఏ ప్రొఫెషనల్ ఏ ఒక్క పార్టీకి వెళ్తే ఆ ఒక్క పార్టీ తగ్గట్టు మనం డ్రెస్ సెన్స్ వేసుకుంటాం. వి వేర్ క్లోత్స్ ఫర్ మెనీ రీజన్స్ బట్ ద మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ వన్ ఈజ్ ప్రొటెక్షన్. సో మనం బట్టలు ఎందుకు వేసుకుంటాము? మెయిన్గా టు ప్రొటెక్ట్ అవర్ బాడీ. సో హియర్ వి విల్ ప్రొటెక్ట్ అవర్ బాడీ. ద మెయిన్ థింగ్ ఈజ్ టు ప్రొటెక్ట్ అవర్ బాడీ. మన యొక్క బాడీని ప్రొటెక్ట్ చేసుకోవడానికి మనం బట్టల్ని వేసుకుంటాం. సో fill in the blanks using word from the boxes. So here is asking to fill the blanks. So here is asking to fill up the blanks whatever it may be need. Here is to first given in the blanks cold, insect bites, smart, heat of the sun, dust and rain. So he given here 1 2 3 4 5 6 options and 6 blanks he has been given here. So now we will once go it. Okay, clothes protect us from dash. How we will protect our clothes from heat and cold? So how we will protect our body heat and sun nunchi. The sun rises can cause sunburn. Clothes protect us from the. So మనం ఎండ నుంచి బట్టల్ని ఎందుకు వేసుకుంటాం? So we will cover. So here the sunrises can cause it. So here the sunrises. So sunburns అంటే మనకు sunburn అంటే మనకు మంట పుట్టకుండా మనము బట్టల్ని వేసుకుంటాము. So here, so how it protect? First one is how the clothes will protect, that with the help of heat of the sun. So the first one is heat of the sun. So it protect us from the sun. So clothes will protect us from the sun. The second one is clothes. Again, clothes protect us from dash. We wear raincoats and gumboots to keep ourselves dry and during the rain. So here again the second one, how we will protect from the rain. So we will protect gumboots. So వేసుకుంటాం, there are raincoats. So rain ikkada. The second one is, that is rain. So with the help of raincoats, and during the rainy season we will use this raincoats and gumboots. So children, so first one is heat of the sun. The second one is rain. So how the clothes are protecting for us? So how they are protecting from sun? It may be sun, or it may be rain, it may be winter. So how they are protecting us? So the first one is heat of the sun. The second one is rain. So clothes protect us from. So how the clothes, again he given, people also need clothes to keep warm themselves warm. Woolen clothes give warmth to the body and protect us from the cold. So here the second one is how the woolen clothes, అంటే చలికాలము ఎలా మనకు హెల్ప్ చేస్తాయి clothes protect with the cold. How they protect us from the cold, చలి నుంచి ఎలా ప్రొటెక్ట్ చేస్తాయి అంటే, సో woolen clothes, they will help to keep వెచ్చగా మనకు ఉంచాలి అంటే sweaters as well as mufflers they will use. Next, so in many kinds of woolen clothes, sweaters, maybe mufflers, and small children, everyone we will use woolen clothes ante to keep us warm. So here to keep us warm to our body, they protect us from the cold. So here after that again the fourth one is how the clothes protect dust. Another one is clothes protect us from the dust. So how it will protect dust, we will see. Air around us has a tiny particles to the dust too. So here our air and around us we will go outside. So there the pollution is there. Next it is dust particles are there. So it is so many of so when we wear clothes, it will be also మనం వేసుకున్న యొక్క క్లోత్స్ కూడా డర్ట్ అవుతాయి, because when we go outside or anywhere, wherever we are eating off, so here we are eating anything, so it falls on our clothes, so it becomes dirt. Like that only clothes protect us from the dust. Air around us has tiny particles of the dust too. When we take off our clothes after wearing them, sometimes we can see the dust on them. If we did not wear clothes, all the dust above settle in our body. So here, so after anyone, I told you in the before class, so what I told for you, so how the clothes will protect us. So how they will protect us from the heat of the sun, next from the rain, and from the cold. So next the last one is dust is completed. So when we go outside, so wear white shirt, see how the dust particles come and stand on our clothes. So it will become a dirt, and after removing the clothes we will wash. So why we will wash? The dust particles will come and stand. So if we don't wear clothes, how the dust will come to our body and spread it. So next the last one is clothes again protect us from the insect bites. So here in insects bites, so how it protects means one of the again another one is insects bites. Okay, దోమలు లేకపోతే ఏదైనా పురుగులు ఎలా మనం కాపాడుకుంటాం మన బాడీని. నెక్స్ట్ clothes protect us from insect bites. There are lot of mosquitoes, so there is lot of mosquitoes in summer, we will see that, and in rainy season wearing full sleeveless clothes, full sleeved clothes can save us from the lot of mosquitoes. So here what is telling ma, so wearing full అంటే మనం చాలా మటుకు ఇప్పుడు నేను హాఫ్ హ్యాండ్స్ వేసుకున్నా. సో హియర్ దెర్ ఇస్ నో మస్కిటోస్. సో ఇన్ రైనీ సీజన్ and in the summer season we will see so many rains here, so many mosquitoes. మనం కొంచెం రాత్రి అవి అయిందంటే చాలా మోరీల దగ్గర అయినా నియర్ బై టు ద డ్రైనేజెస్ ఆర్ నియర్ బై టు అవర్ హోమ్స్ ఇట్ విల్ గి మస్కిటోస్. పెద్ద పెద్ద దోమలు ఉంటాయి. సో వీటిని మనం కాపాడుకోవాలి. మననవి బైట్, దే షుడ్ నాట్ బైట్ అస్. సో ఫుల్ హ్యాండ్స్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు వేర్. సో వీ విల్ కవర్ అవర్ బాడీ విత్ ఫుల్ హ్యాండ్స్ ఆర్ విత్ అ శారీ లైక్ దిస్. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద one of the another reason. So next the last one is sixth one, that is what we will see now. Clothes make us look, again clothes make us look dash. When we wear nice clothes we feel good. So here what he is telling, so smart. So the last one is smart. So మనం బట్టలు వేసుకుంటే ఎలా కనిపిస్తాము? సో స్మార్ట్గా కనిపిస్తాం. సో హౌ వి విల్ లుక్ ఇఫ్ వి వేర్ శారీ ఆర్ ఎనీథింగ్ నైస్ డ్రెస్, హౌ వి విల్ లుక్ వెరీ స్మార్ట్. చాలా అందంగా కనిపిస్తాం. ఎలా కనిపిస్తాము? మన యొక్క డ్రెస్ సెన్స్. ఇప్పుడు మనం డైలీ ఏం వేసుకుంటాము? డ్రెస్ వేసుకుంటాను నేను. సో ఎనీ టైం ఇఫ్ ఐ ఓవర్ శారీ, నేను చీర వేసుకుంటే ఎలా ఉంటాను? డిఫరెంట్ లుక్. సో దట్ ఈస్ వెన్ వీ వేర్ ఎ డిఫరెంట్ క్లాత్స్. సో హియర్ వీఆర్ వేరింగ్ నైస్ క్లాత్స్. సో డిఫరెంట్ క్లాత్స్ ఫర్ డిఫరెంట్ occasions. So we will look very good. So we will very good. We cutely we will look. So when we become ready, so we will look very smart. So here the 6 options. First one, heat of the sun. Second one is rain, cold, dust, insects, bites. Next that is smart. So again here he given one more formative assessment. మళ్ళీ ఇంకో ఫార్మేటివ్ అసెస్మెంట్ ఇచ్చాడు. సో కంటిన్యూలీ ఈజ్ గివింగ్ ఫార్మేటివ్ అసెస్మెంట్ ఫర్ అస్. సో ఇక్కడ నేను మీకు చెప్పాను డిఫరెంట్ ప్రొఫెషనల్స్ జాబ్. మన యొక్క ప్రొఫెషనల్ మన జాబ్స్ ఒక డిఫరెంట్ డ్రెస్సెస్ ఉంటాయి. అది లాయర్ కానివ్వండి, సోల్జర్ కానివ్వండి, నెక్స్ట్ వచ్చేసి డాక్టర్ కానివ్వండి, ఎవరైనా కానివ్వండి, వాళ్ళకు డిఫరెంట్ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ క్లోత్స్ ఉంటాయి. సో నేను ఫస్ట్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను మీకు. దెన్ ఆఫ్టర్ ఐ విల్ గో టు ద ఫార్మేటివ్ అసెస్మెంట్. సో ఫస్ట్ వాటర్. So now a doctor is there. So doctor what he will go, which dress he will wear. So that is a professional of his job. ఒక జాబ్కి అర్హత, ఏమేమి అర్హత ఉంది మనకు జాబ్ చేసేదానికి బట్టి. ఇప్పుడు నేను టీచర్, దెన్ ఐ కెన్ వేర్ శారీ. సో నౌ ద డ్రెస్ టీచర్స్ కోర్స్ ఆర్ శారీస్. సో ఇన్ డిఫరెంట్ స్కూల్స్ ఇన్ ద హైదరాబాద్, ఇట్ మే బి వేరెవర్, ఇట్ మే బి దేర్ విల్ బి కోడ్ ఫర్ ద స్కూల్ ఆల్సో. సో nowadays now they are wearing the sarees dresses. So they are allowing, but the different professional ki, so different professional they have different dress code. So first I am telling about doctor. So what the doctor will wear? The doctor will wear the white coat and stethoscope in his neck. So that is the first professional of the doctor. Next lawyer, what he will wear? So lawyer, what he will wear? He will wear black coat and inside that he will wear the white shirt. So that is the code of the lawyer. Soldier, a soldier, everyone know that we are proud of our soldiers. So the soldier is a very great professional. He is a soldier. So we always salute to the soldiers. They will wear army dress. So they have separate dress for the soldiers, that is army dress. So it will be like a look khaki type. Okay, next the police also he will wear the, so soldier ki police ki different dress. The soldier will have a very variety dress, that is the only the military mans they will wear. So here the police also the different dress code. Next it may be postman also he will have different dress. Next postman, after next security guard. So many professional of jobs are there. So they will wear variety of dresses. So here the variety dresses. So night as well as a man also. When we మార్నింగ్ నుంచి మనం ఈవినింగ్ వరకు ఏమేమి వేసుకుంటాం. సో ఫస్ట్ మార్నింగ్ లేవగానే we will do, if we do mothers they will go to puja or they will wear the saree and they will look neatly. So next after that when we at home. So when we are at home, so we will wear night dresses. So these are the different types of clothes that we will wear. So pilot also, you know everyone, pilot, when the plane, who will arrive the plane ni nadipichevadu pilot. So tanaku kuda different code untundi. Mala players, now here click cricket player. So example, cricket players ki different. Now the IPL matches are going on, everyone is seeing, you will watch without absence, you will watch that one, what IPL matches. So now the matches are going on. So now matches are going on, IPL matches, Rajasthan Royals, that may be Sunrisers, they are wearing different dress code. So these are the dress codes what they will wear in their professions. So people wear different clothes according to their jobs they do. So here what they are telling, the first one is lawyer. So the second one is soldier. The third one is doctor. The fourth one is police. The fifth one is pilot. The sixth one is, he is the player, that is football player. So these are the professionals of the dresses what they do. So childrens, here the professionals of the dresses also we have seen here. So different professionals. First one is lawyer, tanu lawyer. So first tanu lawyer, next soldier, tanu in a doctor, in a police, in a pilot, in a football. So these are the dresses that has been wore for their different professionals. So children, still this formative assessment I have been completed. So children, tomorrow I will continue the lesson. So again I will explain for you what is mean by clothes, how they protector of our body. So now I have been completed the lesson number 7, that is only half I have been completed. So here till formative assessment page number 50. So you also do this as a short one, that is homework. So already I have wrote in the blackboard, but also this is formative assessment I will give for your homework. So do this formative assessment as homework in textbook. Okay, so children, thank you very much for listening my. Okay, if you don't have books, please take the books from the school, we are available, and go through reading. So now you are very from so many 6 months you are sitting at the home and playing only. So now when we are struggling for you, మేము మీకోసం కష్టపడుతున్నాం కాబట్టి మీరు కూడా కొంచెం శ్రద్ధ తీసుకొని కష్టపడి మా కోసం చదవండి, మీ పేరెంట్స్ కోసం కూడా చదవండి. సో ఇఫ్ వీ రీడ్, ఏ సక్సెస్ మ్యాన్ ఎప్పుడు అవుతారు, మనం చదివినప్పుడే. మన పేరెంట్స్ చదువుకోలేదు, మనం చదివించినందుకన్నా వాళ్ళని రిక్వెస్ట్ చేసి బుక్స్ తీసుకొని బుక్స్తోనన్నా కనీసం శ్రద్ధ పెట్టి చదువుకొని మంచి పేరు తెచ్చుకోవాలని నేను కూడా అనుకుంటున్నాను. సో థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ లిజనింగ్ మై వర్డ్స్ అండ్ లిజనింగ్ మై లెసన్. థ్యాంక్ యూ చిల్డ్రన్స్, థ్యాంక్ యూ so much.